Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education channel. Let us continue the lesson Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. In our previous session, we came to know that Bipin Babu could not work in his firm after the lunch time. So he came back to his house and he just was lying on his bed till the evening. And evening time, his servant came and he told that the person named Chunilal came to visit him. And he said it was very urgent. But Bipin Babu knew very well that what had he come for. Okay, Chunilal come for. And he did not want to meet Chunilal because Chunilal was his classmate and he had some rough time, means very bad time. And he was oftenly coming to visit him asking for a job. But this man, Bipin Babu, could not offer him any job. That's why he was trying to avoid him. Now let us continue. Bipin Babu sent word that not only was it not possible for him to see Chuni now, but not in several weeks. Then Bipin Babu said to his servant to tell to Chunilal that not only at present, for some several weeks, he can't meet Chunilal. Like that, he said to his servant. Means he told his servant to tell Chunilal that Bipin Babu is not ready to meet him for several weeks. Okay. But as soon as the servant stepped out of the room, it struck Bipin Babu that Chuni might remember something about the 58 trip. There was no harm in asking him. See. But as soon as the servant stepped out of the room, when servant stepped out of the room, it struck to, suddenly a thought came to Bipin Babu's mind that Chuni might remember something about 58 trip. What thought came to him? Chuni Lal might remember something about the 58 trip to ranch. There was no harm in asking him. There is no harm to ask about that matter. Bipin Babu hurried down the stairs and into the living room. Then suddenly he came to the living room. Okay. Chuni was about to leave. That time Chunilal was about to leave the house. But seeing Bipin Babu appear, he turned round hopefully. Seeing Bipin Babu, he turned round hopefully, with hope. Probably Bipin Babu would provide him a job. With that hope, he turned back. Bipin Babu didn't beat about the bush. Then Bipin Babu didn't beat about the bush. What do you mean by beat about the bush here? Didn't beat about the bush means came straight to the point. Directly he started to talk about that trip. Okay. Beat about the bush means say something in indirect manner. Not beat about the bush means directly come to the matter. Okay. Listen, Chuni, I want to ask you something. You have a good memory. And you have been seeing me off and on for a long time. Just throw your mind back and tell me, did I go to ranch in 58? See here. Then Bipin Babu is speaking to Chunilal. Listen, Chuni, I want to ask you something. You have good memory. I know you have good memory, and you have been seeing me off and on for a long time. You have been seeing me off and on means now and then. a long time. Just throw your mind back. What do you mean by throw your mind back here? Just you think or recall. And tell me, did I go to Ranchi in 58? Did I go to Ranchi in the year 1958? Chuni said, 58. It must have been 58, or was it 59? Okay. Then Chuni said, 58. It must have been 58, or it was 59. He is telling whether it is 58 or 9. I am not getting clearly. Like that he is telling. It means indirectly he was trying to tell what he had been to. Bipin Babu had been to Ranchi. But here he is not confirm about that. Okay. You are sure that I did go to Ranchi. It means, are you sure I did go to Ranchi? Bipin Babu asked him. Chuni's look of amazement was not unmixed with worry. Then this man, Chunilal, looked at him with amazement. Amazement means surprise. And while he was looking at him with surprise, there was no worry in it. Do you mean you have doubts about having gone at all? Then do you have any doubts? Do you have any doubt regarding your visit to Ranchi? Did I go? Do you remember clearly? Again Bipin Babu asked him, did I go there? Do you remember clearly? Then Chuni sat down on the sofa, fixed Bipin Babu with a long hard stare and said, Bipin, have you taken to drugs or something? As far as I know, you had a clean record where such things were concerned. I know that old friendships don't mean much to you, but at least you had a good memory. You can't really mean that you have forgotten about the Ranchi tree. See here, now Chuni sat down on the sofa, fixed Bipin Babu with a long hard stare and said. Now he is looking towards Bipin Babu with long and hard stare. A rough kind of staring is there. Okay, constantly he is looking towards him and said, Bipin, have you taken to drugs or something? Nowadays, are you taking drugs or something? As far as I know, you had clean record where such things were concerned. As per my knowledge, I know you don't have such bad habits. You had a clean record where such things were concerned. Means, as per my knowledge, you are not addicted to drugs or something. I know that old friendships don't mean much to you, but at least you had a good memory. I know very well that old friendship, it is not big matter for you. You have forgotten about old friendship, because I myself coming to you asking job, you are not helping me. Indirectly he is trying to tell Bipin Babu that one. That's why he told, old friendships don't mean much to you, but at least you had good memory. But as per my knowledge, you have very good memory. You can't really mean that you have forgotten about the Ranchi tree. But I think just you are making fun. I hope you have not forgotten about the Ranchi tree. Like that, he said to Chunilal. Chunilal said to Bipin Babu. Okay. Bipin Babu had to turn away from Chuni's incredulous stare. Now Bipin Babu had to turn away from Chuni's incredulous. Incredulous means disbelieving. Okay, disbelieving stare. Okay. Let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session. Thank you for watching.